Hey, today's tutorial is all about creating super simple bun styles that can be done in 2 minutes or less. Let's get started. First up is a classic top knot. I just pull all of my hair up to the top of my head, twist it around and wrap as I go. Then I pull to loosen it a little bit, grab a bobby pin and attach a small piece of the bun down. And actually by grabbing just a little piece of the hair, you can secure the entire thing with just a few of those pins, which makes it more comfortable to wear and a little looser, which is kind of fun. Next up is very similar to the first style, just multiplied by 2. Split your hair in half and pull it up, wrap it around and twist as you are going, and then secure it with just a couple bobby pins. Grabbing a little piece of hair and then tucking that underneath will hold the rest of the hair in place. I am so sorry that I cut off the tops of some of these buns while I was filming. Didn't realize it till after, so hopefully you could still get the gist and forgive me. An important thing to note is that if you get too much hair inside these bobby pins, the bobby pins will just pull themselves back out. So make sure you're only grabbing small pieces of hair, then using those to anchor the rest of the bun in place. You may be noticing a theme in the way that I am doing these buns. Basically, a lot of twisting, wrapping, and then on this particular one, I did throw a little elastic around it just for added support, and then I grab a tiny piece of hair that I can then anchor the rest of the bun down with. All of these bun styles are great if you have gone a couple days without washing your hair, but this one is one of my particular favorites for that. It just adds a little bit of volume back in the top and makes everything kind of come together, and it looks relaxed and effortless, but still super cute. This last one might be my favorite as far as the fun factor goes. This is one of my favorites to do on my daughter's hair, and they really love it. It's just playful, but switches things up from your everyday style and literally takes 1 or 2 minutes to do. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this inspires you to do a fun new style with your hair. Let me know in the comments what your favorite style was and what you're excited to try. Thanks again. Bye.